Alright, so I'm chasing my idle problem here, and I researched it, and there's two sensors under here that could possibly cause the problem, and they're pretty cheap to fix. So we got this one here, and then this one here. So I just switched them out. Again, wasn't very expensive. So this one here is the throttle. This is throttle position sensor. So I changed that, and then the other one is an IAC sensor, which is this one here. So I disconnected the battery to reset the computer. I'll put all this back together and see if that fixes my problem. This is my new PCV hose. That's still connected and everything, so that's fine. Alright, fingers crossed on this one. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see what we got here. That's not good. All right, take two. Okay, no check engine light, but she won't start. Alright, I got it running. Those two sensors are kind of finicky, but I ended up flooding it out a little bit, but seems like it's alright now. It's idling perfect. I don't have any check engine lights over here. Hopefully that fixed the problem. The IAC has like a plunger on the sensor, and it was like, when I installed it, it was like pushed all the way out. So I saw something online that said if you push it like halfway in, that should help. And it started hard, but it started. And yeah, it seems to be idling good, so let's see how she goes here. Alright, I'm road testing this thing. That was a weird sensor, man. I have a perfectly idling van right now with no lights, so we'll see. See how long that lasts. Days ago for half a ride to Home Depot. See how she does here. right, so the test drive went well. No check engine lights. I stomped on it. I did everything I could possibly do to trigger a light or anything screwy with the idle. So it seems to have fixed itself. So this is what I replaced. So it's called a IAC. So it adjusts your idle and stuff. So I don't know what I did wrong because it wouldn't start there for a half an hour. All the wiring was hooked up properly, but I did read something online that said like this is a plunger, goes up and down. So the new one was extended all the way. So they said if you push the plunger halfway down and install it, it'll start. So that's what I did, and it started. And this one I can't even get to move. And this one won't even move. So I'm assuming that this was my problem, my idle problem, hopefully. So this was like 35 bucks or something. So hopefully that fixed it. That's better than chasing vacuum lines. So just wanted to give you an update. It's a finicky part. You'd think changing a sensor would be like super easy. So I don't know. But it's good to go now. It idles perfect. Long test drive, perfect. So on to the next, I guess. All right, thanks for watching.